issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 4 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kettering, Middletown, Beaver Creek, Xenia, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Monroe, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Morrow, Hunter, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, and Centerville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 30 and 39. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 51. You are listening to the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County, northwestern Greene County, eastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kettering, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Troy, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Vandalia, Englewood, Tip City, Bellbrook, Moraine, New Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Brown, Riverside, and Clayton. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 46. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 43 and 72. Now for the official... The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County, central Greene County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilberforce, moving north at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Fairborn, Xenia, Yellow Springs, Cedarville, Enon, Jamestown, South Charleston, Wilberforce, Harmony, Lisbon, New Jasper, Northampton, South Vienna, Tremont City, Donnellsville, Catawba, Clifton, Green Meadows, and Houston. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 45 and 66.